video I will explain you about mirror formula. So ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है और न्यूमेरिकल के लिए ये फार्मूला बहुत यूजफुल है। एंड यहाँ पर साइन कन्वेंशन में सब गलत करते हैं, कंफ्यूज होते हैं बहुत लोग। तो मैं एक धांसू ट्रिक बताऊँगा जिससे आप लोग साइन कन्वेंशन में पूरा क्लियर हो जाएंगे और आप किसी भी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। इट्स माई गारंटी। So mirror formula equal 1 by f equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Here u is object distance, v equal to image distance and f denotes the focal length. Sometimes radius of the curvature is given. So how we can find out the focal length? By dividing 2. That means focal length equal to radius of curvature by 2. Clear? Then sign convention. So anything situated left hand side of the mirror is always denoted by minus sign, and anything situated right hand side of the mirror is always denoted plus sign. Clear? So let us take an example. This is the ray diagram using convex mirror. So in convex mirror, focus and center of curvature is behind the mirror or right hand side of the mirror, and image also formed in this figure. Image is formed right hand side of the mirror and object is left hand side of the mirror. So we know that u equal to distance of the object from the pole. This is pole, midpoint of the mirror, this is pole, and v is denoted the distance of the image from the pole. This is v and this is focus, but here object distance u is denoted by minus sign because it is left hand side of the mirror, and v is denoted by plus sign, so because it is right hand side of the mirror. Focal length also denoted by plus sign because it is right hand side of the mirror. Let us take another example using concave mirror. This is a concave mirror, this is object, so distance of the object from the pole, this is pole, is denoted is u, and u is always denoted by, in this case u is always denoted by minus sign because u is situated left hand side of the mirror. Also image is formed left hand side of the mirror, so distance of the image from the pole is always denoted by minus sign, that is minus b. Focal length also left hand side of the mirror, so it is denoted by minus sign. Clear? So in concave mirror or lens, focus is always negative. That means focus is always situated left hand side of the mirror or lens in concave case. But in convex mirror or lens, focus is always positive because it is always situated right hand side of the mirror or lens. Then come to magnification. Magnification is defined as the ratio of height of the image and height of the object. When magnification, this is magnification, when magnification is greater than 1, then image is enlarged image or magnified image. When magnification is less than 1, then we get diminished image. So, and sometimes in question we find that magnification with minus sign. So let us take an example. If here magnification is given 0.5, here also magnification is given minus 0.5. So when magnification is 0.5, that means height of the image is equal to 0.5 times of the height of the object. Here also minus 0.5 means height of the image is equal to 0.5 times of the height of the object, but minus sign denotes the inverted. That means image is inverted image. When image is inverted, then it is real image. Okay, plus sign denotes the virtual image, or when there is no minus sign, then the image is virtual image or erect image. Clear? So in this case we get magnification equal to minus 0.5, then the nature of the image is real and inverted. In this case we get magnification plus 0.5 or normal 0.5 without minus sign, then nature of the image is virtual and erect. Also we have to remember another formula of magnification, that is magnification equal to minus of v by u for mirror case. This figure, this diagram, we are using convex mirror. So convex mirror, v is positive, sign, v denotes positive sign and u denotes negative sign. For we know that m equal to minus v by u, but for convex mirror v is positive sign and u denotes negative sign. So minus v by u equal to plus v by u. So magnification equal to positive. When magnification is positive, that means it is we are using convex mirror or we get virtual and erect image. But in this figure we know that magnification equal to minus v by u, but here v is denoted by minus sign, so we can write minus of minus v, that is distance of the image from the pole, and u also denoted by minus sign because distance of the object from the pole in the left hand side, situated at the left hand side. So we can write minus of v by u. So when magnification, this is proof, we can prove that here we prove that when magnification is negative, then image is real and inverted, and when magnification is positive, then image is virtual and erect. Next video I will explain you some numericals relating this formula. Thank you.